Let me tell you why I love this garden hose by Great Buddy. First of all, the material is great. It's super flexible, feels like it's not gonna kink when I'm using it. Second thing I love is the brass coupling. That makes it so easy to connect to the spigot. And it comes with a rubber washer on the inside, which is such a nice touch. But if you need a different one, they provide extra. And if you need tape to help make the seal really good, they provide that too. Impressive. The other thing that I like about this guy is that it's 100 feet long. So I can go from this point all the way around that side of the house, clean those windows, then go back to the other side and clean the other side. My 50-foot hose wouldn't do that. And then finally, it's heat resistant. This is rated up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it gets hot here in the summertime, but it doesn't get up to that. So I'm pretty safe keeping this in the backyard. I'm impressed with this water hose. Can't wait to use it all summer. I recommend it.